The Gotrax GXL V2. Very quick, 10-second unboxing just to show you what comes inside the box. Instructions, which I didn't read. Allen wrench. Tire inflation adapter thingy because I didn't read the instructions. Brake thingy, which somehow didn't make it into the photo. Charger, and now I'm going to show you how to put it all together. First things first, you want to open the e-scooter so you can install the brake and the controller base. In order to do that, there's a nice little tag on the back that tells you to press on the outside of the fender to unlock the scooter from the hook. I don't know if I just got a faulty one, but this just wouldn't open for me, so I ended up having to actually unscrew a couple of screws to open it up. Later, this became more easy over time, but I also did in the process end up cracking one of the plastic pieces, so don't be aggressive like me, be a little bit more gentle. And then just a hot tip here, if you want to know how to close it back up, you pull on this long lever and then this knob and it will collapse back together. Next up is installing the brake. You want to first pull on the brake, pop this piece in, drag it over, and pop it in on the other side. See, this is why you don't even need to read the instructions. There's little stickered instructions everywhere. Next, we're going to unscrew the plastic piece again that I unscrewed so I can open up the e-scooter. This is so we can fit in the controller and screw the plastic piece back on. This is going to be important because it will actually hold the brake line in place. Now we're going to slip the controller in now and make sure our holes line up. Then screw the plastic piece back in. Make sure you have it facing exactly the way I do here, or you won't be folding it back down or properly installing any brake lines. Once you're in place, you can tuck this tip in here. I found that on the other end where you're supposed to tuck the rest of the brake line in, well, it came up a little bit short. Fortunately, I know how to fix this problem. If you have the same issue, just move over to the disc brakes in the back, loosen up this bolt, and then you can get some extra slack from this piece right here. Voila, we have some slack and it all fits now. You can now go back and tighten things back up. You'll want to also play around with the tightness a bit as it will affect the brake strength of the scooter, and you want to make sure you have enough brake strength, especially when you're going downhill. To charge the scooter, there's a little rubber piece that comes down on the tiller. The nice thing is the charger will show red if it's charging, and it will switch to green when it's fully charged in about 3 hours, and then you're ready to ride. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'll have a full review coming up on the Gotrax GXL V2 that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.